Okay, there goes the ring. Good job, Isis. You too. Okay. A round of applause, guys, for our silver friend. Okay, let's wait. There's more. Okay, there goes the ball. What are you going to do with those balls? Wow, it's a good job, girls. Okay, now we're done. We have the ring and the ball. Now let's continue. You know what, guys? Here at Manila Ocean Park, we've got some. Okay, you want to say something? Uh-huh. Oh, babae? Sexy? No? Sabi na daw, guys, may isang kawawalang object. There's one more missing object. Is that right, Jenny? Okay, to be sure, let's ask Isis. Hey, Isis, is there one more? No more? Okay, to be sure, let's ask the audience. Hey, guys, is there one more? Okay, guys, if there's one more, kindly tell to Isis what's that missing object. It's a... Ano yung nawawalang bagay, guys? Say, guys, is that right, Kitty? Okay, I think we have a mission to search for that missing toy.
Hala, ang lakas ng ano nila.
So, any silent guys?